contribution is greatly appreciated.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, our esteemed teachers, dear students.
Mrs. Madhushita Bissoy, Deputy Collector of Angul, our Principal, Sister Sharmila, Vice Principal, Sister Lissina, and the other dignitaries. I request Ranjita ma'am and the students to kindly escort our chief guest and other dignitaries to their assigned seats. We are all delighted to have you here.
Good morning and a heartfelt welcome to one and all present here. It is an honor to stand before this gathering on the proud occasion of India's 79th Independence Day. We extend a warm and respectful welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Mrs. Madhushmita Bissoy, Deputy Collector of Angul, our beloved Principal, Sister Sharmila, Vice Principal, Sister Lissina, KG Coordinator, Mrs. Rajni Madhyar, and all the other sisters, our dedicated teaching and non-teaching staff, and all our dear students and their wonderful parents. As the tricolor flutters high, let us bow our heads in gratitude to the immortal spirit of our freedom fighters. Today isn't just a celebration, it is a tribute, a remembrance, and an act of thankfulness for the sacrifices that granted us our cherished freedom. On behalf of the entire Anganwadi Convent School and Devanina Rao, wish you a very joyous and a proud Independence Day. Let us embrace the legacy of Azadi Ka Safar, from struggle to strength. The moment has come to honor our national flag, a symbol of sovereignty, unity, and pride. I humbly invite the dignitaries to the stage for the ceremonial flag hoisting. Everyone is requested in attention and join in singing.
जय जवान जय जवान जय जवान वंदे 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 भारत माता की भारत माता की
I request Rajita ma'am to present the sapling as a token of appreciation and a gesture of gratitude. Our students Pratyasha Priyadarshini, Pratyasha Sahu, Ashika and Sanyukta Rajkumari are requested to present badges to our chief guest, principal and dignitaries.
Nishtha Verma and I, Ritesh Kumar Sahu, from Class 7 are truly honored to welcome our respected chief guest who has graced the celebration with her esteemed presence.
This day symbolizes hope, courage, and an unyielding spirit. I now take the proud privilege of requesting our Honorable Chief Guest, Mrs. Madhushmita Bisoi, the Deputy Collector of Angul, to kindly step forward for the inspection of the school platoons.
Our young students, standing tall and proud, await your review with immense honor and patriotic spirit. Thank you, ma'am, for doing the honors. We humbly request you, ma'am, to kindly proceed for the inspection of the contingents.
Parade, side, done. Islam.
Ladies and gentlemen, what we witness now is a symbol of pride and preparedness. The chief guest is now inspecting the school platoons, each one representing the strength and unity of our great nation. Every step taken by these cadets echoes the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and the dreams of our future leaders.
A nation marches ahead when its citizens stand tall with unity and purpose. Let us all welcome the house contingents of ABS. Let the beats of drums roll and the spirit of patriotism unfold as they move forward with pride in their strides. Leading the parade is the civilian team under the able leadership of Captain Sai Nirmalya Behra. They remind us that civilians too play a vital role in building our nation. It represents the quiet strength of everyday citizens that make our country flourish. Following the lead is the ABS Red Cross team, guided by Captain Lieutenant General and Vice Captain Satyapati, as they march forward in perfect unison. Following the parade is the Red House, led by Captain Viveshwari Gowda and Vice Captain Uttal Sharmara. It stands as a beacon of courage and determination. Like the blazing flame of patriotism, Red House reminds us. Marching with dignity and resolve is the Blue House, led by Captain Stuti Manjari Mishra and Vice Captain Hemant Sai. Calm yet powerful, like the mighty oceans. They reflect clarity of thought and determination in every stride. Bringing energy and optimism is the Yellow House, led by Captain Subhashi Tripathi and Vice Captain Somvijit Sahu, like the golden rays of hope that brighten our future. With every firm step, they radiate joy, positivity, and an unwavering belief in the dreams of a better tomorrow. Here comes the Greenhouse, led by Captain Anvesha Pradhan and Vice Captain Rudra Shankar Kalunde. It represents growth, harmony, and peace, just like our nation, which flourishes in diversity. The greenhouse symbolizes the balance between ambition and compassion. Marching with grace, they inspire us to preserve our roots while reaching for the skies. Let us applaud the discipline, dedication, and team spirit displayed by all the houses.
कराल भाल पंडिका धगत 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 ज्वलत धनंजयाहुति कृतं प्रचंड पंच सायके धराधरेन्द्रवन्दिनी कुचाग्र चित्र पत्र कल्पनैक शिल्पिनी त्रिलोचने रति मम नवीन मेघ मंडली निरुद्ध दुर्धर पुर कुहूनि शीतिनी तमहत बंध बंध गंधर निलिम्ब निर्झरी धनस्म नोत पुण्य सिंधुर मलानि दान बंधुर श्रियं जगद्गुरुं प्रफुल्ल नील पंकज प्रपंच कालिम प्रभावलंबिकं ककंदली रुचिप्रबद्ध गंधरं स्मरच्छिदं पुरच्छिदं भवच्छिदं मखच्छिदं गजच्छिदं धगच्छिदं तमन्तकच्छिदं भजे
Everyone, my name is Sanjay. I wish you all a happy Independence Day. Today is 15th August, our Independence Day. On this day, India became free. A leader like Gandhiji and Nehru helped us get freedom. Now we can play, study, and live happily. I love my country very much. I will be a good child that make India proud. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
भारत माता की भारत माता की वंदे 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 Good morning and namaskar. Today, as we celebrate the 79th Independence Day here at Amarbani family, I wish all of you a very happy Independence Day, including principal, the faculty members, supporting non-teaching staffs, parents present over here, and my dear beloved children. A very happy Independence Day 2025. Today, our heart beat in pride and joy as tricolor floated in the sky with the wind. But I don't think it is so. It is the power of that countless soldiers who have given their last breath to this country to make this tricolor fly in the air. So today
we celebrated this day by the supreme sacrifices of that soldier, of those freedom fighters, from farmers to scientists to doctors to every entrepreneurs who had a vision for this country and who had given their contribution to make this country as a glorious and prosperous one. So we all give tribute to our forefathers who have made this day to happen. India has always stood as a beacon, as a lighthouse to the world through its glorious culture and tradition. I quote Einstein where he said, "No scientific discoveries could have been possible without the invention of zero by Aryabhatta, who is an Indian." I also quote German sociologist Max Muller where he said, "If I were asked under which sky human mind has fully developed some of its choicest gift, I should point out to India." Such legacy we all are born into. We are inheritance of those Indian legacy because we are Indian. A civilization that has given zero, that has given Ayurveda, yoga, peace, and the spirit of Vasundhara Kutumbakam, that we all are one family to the world. The world is one family. With adding more colors to this line, our Rabindranath Tagore has dreamed of India. In Gitanjali, where the mind is free and without fear, and the head is held high, where the knowledge is free, into that heaven of freedom, my father led my country away. जहाँ मन भय मुक्त हो और मस्तक ऊंचा हो, जहाँ ज्ञान मुक्त हो और उत्सर्गीय स्वतंत्रता में, हे परमेश्वर मेरे देशवासी को जागरूक करना. If we dream of incredible India, three crucial societal members are to play the vital role: mother, father, and teacher. It reminds us the inheritance of value system we can pass on to generation, to our younger generation, for a prosperous India. A school is not mere a boundary with some classroom, but it is the manufacturer of brilliant minds. It educates the young minds. It molds the character of the nation. We new installation to curiosity, and it builds the new leaders and which adds into the nation building. As teacher, we need to be responsive, we need to be understanding and nurture impact the young minds for their vision so that they can achieve any goal in future. They are not just the teacher who are teaching us the alphabets of book, but they are the teacher who are teaching us the alphabets of life. So, dear student, you must respect your parents and the teacher. One question coming to my mind to the student: have you seen God? Anyone? Have you seen God? Anyone can answer, have you seen God? If you have not seen, God cannot be everywhere. So He has created your parents and teachers as who are standing beside you today. So they are your God, they are living God. So respect them and follow them. They are the best one to advise you further in your life. My dear student, as youth of this nation, you are not only the future generation, but you are the present. You have the dual role. You will become a citizen of India. A citizen has two major responsibility. One is right and one is responsibility. The right, you have the right to get good education. You have the right to get good feeding. You have the right to dream big and bigger. You have the right to express your dreams. But you have also the responsibility. The responsibility is not just study to get good marks in examination, but you have to study to gain knowledge and wisdom. You have to inculcate the good character into it by the advice of your teachers and parents. Education is the light that guides you, but character is the anchor that will hold you forever. It also includes to build a strong character rooted in integrity, empathy, and resilience. What does integrity mean? Integrity means the work you do when no one is watching you. It is the thing which you will be true to yourself. Then only you can get whatever you wish for. I urge you to dream big, so big that people will start laughing at you. I urge you to dream big, so big that people will start laughing at you. Your dreams should be big and bigger, but try to achieve that goals, try to reach at heights with full integrated and dedication, and never nothing is impossible in this world. So you will get whatever you will dreamed of. Dare to becoming an entrepreneur, a civil servant, scientist, an artist, business icon, or political leader, never mind. But while chasing this dream, never forget to become a good human being. Be kind, be empathetic, be a person of good attitude, so that it will be added with your beauty in your character. I have not achieved something big in my life, but whatever I am today, it was because of God's grace, my parents' sacrifices, and my teachers' guidance, and my own hard work. Remember, hard work had no substitution. I was working in a corporate day and night, 9 to 10 hours. I was in a hectic work schedule. Then I dreamed of becoming a civil servant. I used to work for 8 to 9 hours in the corporate. Then I used to go to my hostel, and I was preparing for civil services throughout the night. Even someday I was not able to sleep throughout the night. In the morning I have to again join for corporate services. In that position, after working 10 years of in corporate, I qualified civil services with flying colors. And that was never a luck. It was all a hard work. It was a result of the sincerity and integrity I built into it. Why I shared this my story? Because what you are dreamed of will never come by luck. It will only come by your hard work, discipline, and integrity. As the motto of Amar Vani School, as I learned from the logo, is darkness to light. In Sanskrit, we have a sloka, Asutoma Sadgomaya, Tamashoma Yaturgamaya. That means, oh God, lead me from the path of darkness to the light, from the morality to the immorality, and give me the wish to fly. And I'm very happy today to witness that Amar Vani family has joined together in celebrating Independence Day with such fun and fair, and involving all the parents and students community over here. So I congratulate Amar Vani for that. India is an incredible journey of excellence. We stand as the fastest growing economy on the verge of third largest economy. This very school, Amar Vani, with the able leadership of Sister Sharmila, is marching ahead towards the journey of excellence. Let us, we all pledge today to honor the sacrifices of our freedom fighter and be a responsible and purposeful citizen of this country. Let us contribute effectively towards greater nation building by doing our bit of responsibility. Let us raise a flag, Tiranga, higher and higher, and finally, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा. जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम.
Thank you, Ma, for your gracious words.
तेरा हिमालय आकाश छूले, बहती रहे तेरी गंगा. ऊंचा तो झूमे तिरंगा माते हैं माटी माते हैं माता माथे पे माटी सजा के चले माए चलते रहे खौफ लहरा के झूमे तिरंगा आजाद रहे आबाद रहे तारों को झूमे तिरंगा माथे है माटी माथे है माता माथे पे माटी सजा के चले माए चलते रहे खौफ लहरा के झूमे तिरंगा आजाद रहे आबाद रहे तारों को झूमे तिरंगा तेरी जमीन से हम सर उठा के चले हमें हंस के विदा करना लाल है हम तेरे याद करना हमें ढोल ताश बजा करना ओ माई तेरी मिट्टी बुलाए तो ये दुनिया छोड़ के आ जाए तुझे आवाज लगाए तो तिरंगा उड़ के आ जाए ओ माई तेरे काम नहीं आए तो फिर बेकार जवानी है बहाए खून तेरी खातिर जितना गंगा में पानी है अगर जान जाती है तो जाए चाहे रे माई कभी तेरी आन न जाए जला देंगे अपनी हम चिताए तुझ पे ओ माई कभी कोई आंच न आए तू मेरे लिए न तेरे लिए तेरे ही रहे मैं जिए तेरे ही तक में गाए जाते जाते आई है ओ माई तेरी मिट्टी बुलाए तो ये दुनिया छोड़ के आ जाए तुझे आवाज लगाए तो तिरंगा उड़ के आ जाए माँ ओ माई तू मेरी दुनिया रे तेरे आंचल में भर दूं तारे ओ माई तू मेरी दुनिया रे तेरे आंचल में भर दूं तारे शान तेरी न कम होने देंगे वतन नाम ले दे के तेरा तेरी ममता पे हम मर मिटेंगे वतन, तेरी ममता पे हम मर मिटेंगे वतन। मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिंद से जुनून तक रह जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा। मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिंद से जुनून तक रह जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा। चिंगारी जिंद से जुनून तक रह जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा। मैं लड़ जाना, मैं लड़ जाना, मैं लड़ जाना, मैं लड़ जाना।
Respected principal, teachers, parents, my dear friends, and our esteemed chief guest, Mrs. Madhusmita Bishoi, Happy Independence Day. Today, we stand under the tricolor flag, proud and free. But let us pause and remember, our freedom was not free. It was earned with tears, blood, and sacrifice. For over 200 years, our country was ruled by the Britishers. Our heroes, Gandhiji, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, they didn't just fight with weapons, they fought with truth, with courage, and with an unshakable love for India. Their dream was not only of an independent India, their dream was of an India that is strong, united, and kind. And in 1947, we achieved freedom. But today, in 2025, the real question is, are we living up to their dreams? My friends, we are lucky to live in the modern world with smartphones, education, opportunities, but with great freedom comes great responsibilities. So, how can we, the youth of India, be more responsible today? We can say no to corruption and yes to honesty, even in small things. We can keep our surroundings both green and clean, just as we keep our smartphones clean. And most importantly, we shall never forget our roots, culture, and the values our freedom fighters died for. So let us be the generation that doesn't just celebrate freedom once a year, but lives it, protects it, and earns it every single day. Let's build an India where freedom means equality for all, where every girl goes to school, every child dreams big, and where every citizen says with pride, I am responsible, I am Indian. On this Independence Day, let's promise not just to wave the flag, but to carry forward the dream of those who gave us this day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
तुझे हम नहीं मानेंगे। अब जा और अपने सियासी लोगों से बोल कि किसने तेरा ये हाल किया।
पहलगाम के पाकिस्तान में आतंकियों ने किया टूरिस्ट पर हमला। इस हमले में 27 की मौत जबकि दर्जनों घायल होने की सूचना।
Operation Sindoor, a mission of hope, a symbol of life. In that moment of crisis, India stood not as fragments but as one. No one asked where you were from. No one cared what language you spoke. Every heartbeat mattered. Every life was precious.
मन भरिया बदल गया सावे तू मैनू छड़ जाना गल्ला तेरिया तो लगदा वे मैथों तेरा मन भरिया गल्ला तेरिया तो लगदा गल गल ते शक कर दे मार जरा भी नहीं हो तेरी आँखियाँ च मेरे लिए प्यार जरा भी नहीं मेरा ते कोई है नहीं तेरे बिन तेन जा किसे दा सावे तू मैनू छड़ जाना गल्ला तेरिया हिंदुस्तान चुप नहीं रखेगा ये नया हिंदुस्तान है ये घर में घुसेगा भी तो मारेगा
मैं कर्नल सोफिया कुरैशी मैं विंग कमांडर मोनिका सिंह
From the valleys to the skies, from strangers to saviors, we saw what it truly means to be Indian. A nation united not just by land, but by love, by duty, by compassion. That is the soul of India. Resilient, united, deeply caring. As young citizens of this proud nation, we carry forward that same spirit in our schools, in our homes, in every little act of kindness. Let us be the helping hands. Let us be the voice of unity. Let us remember, patriotism is not just about flags and parades. It is about standing together, serving together, growing together. Operation Sindoor was not just a rescue, it was a reminder that India at its best is India together. Jai Hind.
On behalf of Amarwani Convent School, I extend my sincere gratitude to our chief guest, Mrs. Madhusmita Bisoi, the Deputy Collector of Angul, for honoring us with her presence, our principal and vice principal for their unwavering support, our teachers for their dedication and guidance, our office and support staff for their tireless service, our dance teacher for creatively channeling our patriotic energies. Thank you to all the performers, volunteers, and parents. Your presence has made today unforgettable. Thank you.
All students go to a respected class.